How to install Bluetooth radio in old car.
How to update and upgrade his stock factory radio by adding Bluetooth capability to it by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Now we have a Gizmo Guy Gadget Basic. Tony just bought the Gizmo Guy Gadget Basic, which come with the cigarette charger and also the Gizmo Guy Gadget itself. So I'm going to walk him through the process of installing it and add Bluetooth to this older car radio. So when you take it out of the package, you'll notice that it comes with a cigarette charger as well as the Gizmo Guy Gadget. So now please connect the USB part of it to the cigarette charger. Make sure it's nice and firm. Okay, now plug the cigarette charger into the cigarette socket for power. You'll notice that once you plug it in, the Gizmo Guy Gadget actually shows, the LED actually shows you what the channel setting is. So right now, long press the button and notice that you'll come on flashing. Okay, now set it to, on top of the device, you'll notice there's little buttons that you can press it and set it to 87.9. Once you get this 87.9, long press it again and wait for it and you'll stop flashing. Okay, now you're ready to pair it to car radio. So now, go to your car radio and set your car radio to 87.9 as well. You'll notice that hissing and static goes away, which means now the Gizmo Gadget is actually active and also paired to your car radio. So now we have officially added Bluetooth capability to this older car radio. Now all you have to do is go to your phone, go to the Bluetooth setting, and look for S23. So click on that and wait.
Bluetooth connected.
So now, as soon as you hear the announcement, Bluetooth connected, that means that your car has now officially has the Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Now you will be able to listen to anything, new music, podcast, news, radio. You will be able to listen to all your music right through your older car radio with crystal clear sound and no static. So now let's play something from the phone, please. So now he listened to podcasts, so you'll be able to listen to the podcast through this car radio loud and clear without hissing or static. Not only that, you will be able to talk hands-free, as well as getting GPS navigation announcements from Waze. So this is the easiest and quickest way to add Bluetooth capability to your older car radio by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. You can hear that the music, the sound quality is actually very, very good without hissing or static. So this is how easy it is to use the Gizmo Guy Gadget Basic to add Bluetooth capability to your older car radio. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching my how to install Bluetooth radio in old car video. This is Gizmo Guy. Over the last 30 years, I have repaired, installed, and messed with thousands of car stereo. So when it comes to car stereo, I know what I'm talking about. Try my gadget out, and I guarantee you that this will be the best gadget that you get this year. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.